Have you seen these AI layered paper craft ASMR videos? They're insanely satisfying and ridiculously addictive. No more juggling multiple websites. I'll show you how to create them using only ChatGPT and Edimakor. Let's make something oddly satisfying. Step 1. Generate the prompts. First up, we need to build our blueprint. Head over to ChatGPT to generate the custom prompts for your video. I've provided the master prompt in the description below. Just copy and paste it into ChatGPT. It will first give you a list of different ideas. Pick the one you love the most. Then, it will instantly generate the storyboard prompt and the video prompt. This is a huge time saver for keeping visuals consistent. Step 2. Generate the storyboard. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Inside Edimakor, go to AI Image, Image Generate, Text to Image. Choose your preferred model. I'm using GPT Image 2. Now paste the image prompt. Configure your resolution, aspect ratio, and output quantity, then simply hit Generate. You'll instantly get a high-quality storyboard. Once you're happy with the results, we're ready for the final step. Step 3. Generate the video. Right-click the image and choose Image to Video. Here, select a model. I'm using Seedance 2.0 for this task. Next, paste the video prompt from ChatGPT. Set your duration and resolution. Finally, hit Generate. After a short wait, you'll have a layered papercraft ASMR video based on your storyboard. Super easy, right? Now you can replicate this workflow to create endless videos featuring any theme or subject you can imagine. Step 4. Publish to get free credits. Once you export your video, don't forget to publish to social media. Add Edimakor AI when posting to earn 60 free credits. Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.